Hey everybody, Baysinger here, and welcome back to another episode of Throwing Every Disc Possible. Today I have the Genius from Discmania. This is in the Active line, if you didn't know that already, which is now out of production. So not going to be many of these out there in a little while. That was weird. As you can see, I got a few different stamps. I've got the baseline, the Active. I've got the Active Premium. And then a couple sick little stamp situations here. Thanks to my man, Mr. Jared Odell, right over here. Leave a comment for him below. Thank him for letting all of these Frisbees be in this series. The flight numbers on the Genius are 75, -41. Wow, that's understable. I'm going to start with the baseline on Haza. Oh, here's the profile. Okay. Maybe a touch too much hyzer. Less hyzer. I'm weak. All right. Flat. I'm bad at disc golf. And then a tiny touch of hyzer. Fortunately, it only took me 4 tries to get a good throw. Please consider commenting and subscribe for more videos in this series.